Hey, my Marababes, guess what? I know y'all must be thinking that this is my real hair, but it was really not. It's a headband wig, and I'm gonna show you how to do a bunch of different hairstyles with your headband wig in this series. This is just one of them, and this style is really one of the really great styles that hides the headband wig band, so no one will know that you're wearing a headband wig, or at least it will be undetectable. So stay tuned. The link to this headband wig is in the bio. If I didn't say it in any of this video, it's actually a 14-inch AfroKinky headband wig from Marabelle Haircare. So yeah, that's what's up. Enjoy and subscribe from now, because you're gonna like this. So I'm back again. I am going to be transforming all of this into a cute little hairstyle. So all you really need is a black elastic band and your headband wig. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna do a side part, because I haven't done a side part in a while. I'm gonna be hiding the headband wig band, because not everyone loves that black band to be seen, because it's kind of standard. Everybody knows almost that as soon as you see that black band, it is a headband wig. So I've sectioned out my front portions, and I plaited the bottom just to make it easier to catch up at the back for my side part or side sweep, right? And this is the section that I'm going to leave out in between, but I'm just going to show you how I catch it up at the back right here to have the front laid. And then of course, after I put on the headband wig and everything, I'm going to go in and lay down my edges and everything, so don't worry about that. But right now I'm just gonna take the elastic band, I hope you can see this, and I'm gonna just do it really snug, catch it up really snug. I might go in with a hairpin if I want it any tighter or more secure, but essentially that's just what I'm gonna do right now. And then, you know, because it's gonna lay down like this, and I'm gonna separate this portion that I'm gonna leave out and separate this portion of hair that I'm gonna leave out, and then I'm gonna put this in a ponytail and put on my wig cap over the back section and come right back to you. So this is just to show you that all I did was put this in one big plait and I pinned it down, and then I'm going to take my stocking cap and put it only around the back section of my hair, okay, just to keep it down. And then this is our headband wig. This is from Marabelle Haircare. It's so, the curls so nice. I haven't done anything to it as yet, but just to show you how the wig is set up, we have 3 combs, right? We have 2 adjustable straps at the back, we have the velcro band, and so what I will be doing is clipping these 3 clips right around this section of my hair. But I am going to, you can either tuck the band first and then you will still see that the combs are very exposed, and you will still easily be able to clip it in your hair, or you could just put in the combs in the different sections and then you tuck the band under. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so let me just find the middle one, that's the comb, and then I'm going to tuck it right at the top, right? And then this is the other comb, then I'm going to tuck it right here, and then this is the third cone. I'm gonna feel for where I'm gonna tuck it. Right here, it's pretty secure, and then as I said, you can just tuck the band away, and you just close the Velcro strap right behind your head right here. Hope you can see that. Right, as tightly as you want, and pretty much that's what you got going. So you see where I'm going with this now. You really don't have to leave out your hair if you don't want to, but I am just doing it so that persons can see that it's really easy to blend. Look at the texture difference, like yeah. But we have something called the Mega Moisture Parfait, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to either blend your natural creams, whatever hair, to the AfroKinky texture, whether it is by using the Mega Moisture Parfait, or what you could do is just comb out the curls and it will become an afro texture that is more similar to this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you a little snippet of how I'm gonna blend the hair texture to this AfroKinky hair. Right, cause my edges are always the last thing I like to do, because I don't want to mess them up while trying to blend. So using the Mega Moisture Parfait from Marabelle Haircare, I'm definitely going to put it in the description box below, but essentially you just finger curl like this. Oh wait, let me do it so that you can see that. Yep, that's all you do. Another thing that you could do is you could take a piece of this hair, the hair of the wig, and your hair, and then you just wrap it together. So once you wrap it together, the hair of the headband wig will morph the texture of your hair pretty much. It will kind of mesh into the curl pattern of the AfroKinky hair more so, and then it will all blend together. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick and come back to you, and then I'm gonna do my edges and show you the complete hairstyle. All I did was just brush it out, and it pretty much already match the texture of this AfroKinky hair, because anything you do with it, it kind of really just meshes with the texture. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the Marabelle Edge Control, and I'm gonna slick down my edges. This is very important. This, as I said before, will definitely bring everything together. Okay, see that? Literally. Then you take the comb part and you just make sure that there are no knots when you're slicking down your hair. Your hair front has to literally be detangled. You see, it's actually coming together already. I'm telling you that this edge control, this Marabelle Edge Control, I'm gonna put the link also in the description box, but it's everything, okay? Literally everything. I only brushed it twice or 3 times, and look, like, what? Hello, giving the world. But yeah, so pretty much that's what's up. I'm gonna slick down this side as well, come back to you with the final style. Okay, so after I have slicked down my edges, here is the final look with this AfroKinky headband wig. So guys, the benefit of these styles is that you don't have to have out your hair. You know, sometimes when you have out your hair, it gets super tangled. You have to really take your time to take out any knots, to deep condition it. Sometimes when you leave it out, you know, the environment just drags out all that moisture out of it and it gets super dry. And if you're trying to like retain as much length as possible and just put your hair under hibernation so that you could really get that length super quick and fast, then this headband wig is a beautiful alternative to just pretty much be able to get so many different styles, different looks, without having to do all that manipulation to your hair. Okay, so yeah, you could see that the band is hidden, no bulkiness whatsoever, no tracks being shown whatsoever. It meshes to so many different textures, and I mean, you need to get one. Okay, so link up Marabelle Haircare if you'd like. This is super affordable and it's 100% human hair, so you can also dye it if you want. But thank you so much for tuning in. Please like the video and tell all your friends, subscribe, and feel free to share any other styles or anything that you'd like me to do my next video on.